Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook and not sending WhatsApp code. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we need to go ahead and access our primary WhatsApp device. As you can see here, this is my primary WhatsApp device and I got Facebook notifications or login codes. So if you are using or currently using a secondary device, maybe you've linked it, okay, using the linked devices right here, you won't receive it from there. And so WhatsApp security protocols strictly block meta authentication OTPs from appearing on secondary linked companion screens such as the WhatsApp web or the WhatsApp tablet or desktop. All right, so go ahead and check your main phone. So if that still won't work, your last option right here is when you go ahead and open up and log into Facebook right here. Let's say you've entered the correct credentials, your email and password, hit on login. It needs a code. Just got to select the option, did not receive the code or try another way. All right, so you'll be able to receive it via your Authenticator app or even from your email or just your phone number, depending on how you set up your account. And there you have it. That is how you fix Facebook not sending WhatsApp codes. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.